painting friends, this is Jessica with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, and today I'm here to share an impulse purchase. And I don't know whether to love myself or be really irritated with myself about this. But a couple of weeks back, maybe 2 weeks ago, Rachel Rae posted on her channel an unboxing from Winnie's Picks, the paint by number company. And she had a little coupon code in her description. So I might have been one of those people who went over to Winnie's Picks and picked out a paint by number, even though I've never ever done a paint by number in my life, nor have I really ever painted anything in my life. So I now have just one more craft that I'm going to have to try here on the channel. I'm going to say I do it for you guys. That way you don't have to buy every craft supply that exists because I've already done it for you. You see how that works? It's because I love you. All right, so I went to winniespicks.com. I used the coupon code. I picked out a painting. I'm going to show it to you. But I left this in the packaging and just cut it open so you could see exactly how this comes. This shipped from San Bernardino, California, and it literally took a week and maybe 2 days. I don't keep great records, so I can't tell you exactly, but I know it was fast. With the coupon code on Rachel Rae's channel, I also got free shipping. So this beautiful painting, I hope it's going to be beautiful, cost me $24.95, I believe. It was either $21.95 or $24.95, but either one, pretty good price. Yeah, so let's get into this. Nicely wrapped. It comes in a very nice tube, just like Rachel's did. It's very swanky, very swanky. And then on the outside it says, "What's inside?" This is the one I picked out. Now I tried to pick out a painting that I thought I could do a little bit of blending on, because paint by numbers can look a little bit, in my experience, from, doing one when I was 7 or something. They can look a little bit like a 7-year-old did them sometimes. But I have been checking out some videos on a channel called Painty Kat, and I'll put a link to her channel below. And Painty Kat makes some pretty amazing artwork out of paint by numbers, so check her out. All right, so here's what we're getting. The canvas. And then we get a chart that shows us where all the colors go. Oh my gosh. They're so tiny. What have I done? What have I done, Rachel Rae? And then some instructions. Very nice. Some contact info on there. Yep. Very cool. I always like that. And then here are our paints. Thank you so much for your order. Enjoy 10% off your next purchase. That's really nice. And then once again, there's the painting I picked out, Big Ben by Night. So I'm a bit of an Anglophile, you see, so I thought maybe this canvas had the potential to turn out really, really nice. Now this material is definitely canvas, and it looks like it is covered in gesso, as it should be. I'm going to see if I can get you in. I know you're not going to be able to see, or if you can see at all, not very well, how clear the numbers are here and how dark they are and all of that. So if you want to go pick out a Winnie's Picks, you can do so as well. I was really impressed by the types of canvases that were on the site and how many there were to choose from, in all different styles of art and all of that. And they do custom paint by numbers, a little bit like diamond painting, which I thought was super cool. So these come vacuum packed, which I'm really excited about because I was worried about having so much stuff in my stash that I can't get to it in a timely way. And so these are sealed, and that makes me feel a little bit better. I'm not going to unseal them until I actually start this canvas. And then it comes with a little set of brushes. And I may or may not use the brushes she sends, but I'll definitely try them out, let you know how they are. So that is Winnie's Picks. There was another one on the site I was debating about that I think was called Scottish Highlands. I almost got that one. It was down to that one and this one. But I will definitely keep you posted on this when I get started on it, let you know how I like it. It looks pretty overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. These numbers are tiny. But a new craft is always fun. We can agree. New craft supplies, always fun. The canvas is in impeccable condition. It came rolled up in this tube, and it's just perfect. It's literally perfect. There's not a wrinkle, not a smudge. It looks great. So if you are interested in doing a paint by number, I encourage you to check out Winnie's Picks. See if you can find a picture you like. And like I said, I'll keep you posted on this one. I'm going to keep this short and sweet today. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time here on Tiny Worlds of Wonder. Bye.